kids on like the bitch door, so let them in, let them in, let them in.
What are you talking about?
What's good, YouTube?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You feel what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I forgot to record an intro for this, and if I did, I'm just gonna cut it out because I can't find it and what I'm skimming through from right now. But just wanna make a quick intro. Playing Resident Evil again. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. We beat the first boss in this ep. Alright. After I make this video, I'm probably gonna go ahead and do a off-stream video of me, just because I'm pretty sure I have to go back through the village till I get to like the next, you know what I'm saying, like how the castle was like the main setting for this level. I'll try and figure out where that is off stream. I'm gonna record it and of course make a singular video out of it, but just so it feels more flowy on stream, so we're not just sitting watching me, you know what I'm saying, like just run around the village not knowing what I'm doing, because I know I'll be a little, I don't know what I'll be doing sometimes on these games. So yeah, but outside of that, how you want me to just push the streets about, give me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, enjoy the video, money.
This is all an investment.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
I'm finna go and try and open that one door in the courtyard. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I apologize, mother. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay. Okay, you know, so I say where I'm gonna go. Alright. Which is to the courtyard. And she magically fucking appears where I have to go. Like, bruh, did I do an intro yet? Fuck, you're right. She's right outside of the room, bro. I've been hearing her footsteps the whole time. I'm just gonna sprint. Lady D. Can you sing Reese Youngin? You're back the fuck up, nigga. Can you see Reese Youngin? Okay, nice. Ooh. Ooh. I know that's what you want me to do. I'm ready. No. I hear people. Dude, I be forgetting how fucking dark I have this game, bro. Put them hands on him. Indeed. I know this one. Jeez, the fucking wheeze, man. I see you, bro. Good bite. Good bite. Good bite. If I modded this game, oh lord. This is getting freaky up. Yeah, let's make our way downstairs. I lied. Hold on, bro. The visual, bro. I'm sorry.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Oh, this is like a lot better. This is way better. Little piano action? Oh shit. Oh my gosh, I gotta read music, bro. I don't know how niggas be reading music, bro. My fucking cousins be doing that shit for band. I don't know how they be doing that. What the fuck was that? Indeed. 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 I'm knowing this one you want me to know. I'm not ready. Dude, what is in here? What key, though? Where's the key? I need a key. I need a key, my boy. I need a key. I don't got one. Oh. Nice. Oh my gosh. Mommy. I mean. Huh? Lady D. I'm sorry. I apologize. Listen. 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 I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You bad. I want you. I'm gonna get what I want. What? She's behind me, right? She's right behind me, isn't she? She's right behind me, isn't she? Fuck.
So you finally came to see me.
I mean, I fuck with you. Yep, hold that. Hold that. Yep. I knew it was coming. It's somewhere.
So mean. You'll kill me.
That's the fucking idea. I kind of like her daughters more than I like her, low-key. Like, is that kind of weird? Oh, shit.
Why are you doing this?
Where you at? Where you at? I don't even see you.
Why? Why would you do this?
You're trying to, like, eat me? You trying to suck me dry?
What the fuck what did you just say? Wow, man. Damn.
Oh, you're hiding behind here on purpose.
This is a dream.
I'm here. I'm here with it. I'm right here with it. Yup. Don't try to swing on me.
I'm sick of bugs.
That one-liner was so trash. I'm sick of bugs, bro. We serious? Talking about something. I'm sick of bugs. Like, bro. I thought that was Lady D. Alright, that's two. That's two. What's in here? Oh, this is upstairs. Let the 5 bells of the chamber ring out. It's a little minigame. Are you supposed to be like easily to see or something? Oh, it's right there. In this little window. Green. Green. Right here. Ugh. This lady. He's fine, bro. She's tall. But, where's this other one at? Oh, it's one outside. No way. No way they expected us to see that, bro. Nice guy. What's it, 5? 5. It's gotta be somewhere, bro. Everything's on top of something. You're not like here. Oh, I see you. It's too easy. Too easy. Too easy. I'm knowing this what you want me to do. I'm on little chambers, little side skirts. So we've killed 2 of her daughters. We have to kill 1 more daughter. I hear a goat. I'm gonna shoot you so I don't fall. You scared me. We are not doing that treasure map, bro. I knew you were gonna move. Ooh, good lockpick. Good lockpick. Good lockpick. I heard there was something called the Dagger of Deathflower somewhere in this castle. It's apparently an antique from the Middle Ages that's coated in concoction of poisons from across the continent. It's said to have been crafted to kill demons and monsters. It sounds fascinating, but no one knows where it is. Dagger of something. Ooh, the Yiper rifle? The Yiper rifle? Okay, I forgot. I had to do shit like this in my inventory. I got the Yopper. I need to go get ammo from Duke Dennis. Okay, we're upstairs now. On the roof. Little gargoyles. Oh, I think this is the elevator that goes down to the center of the castle. If I'm not tripping. Oh, shit. You are fucking scary. Well, you popped out like that. We pop out at your party. I'm with the gang. And it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain. I'm a killer gun, sorry. I can't change, man. Aiming at your body. Shots at your brain. Nah, come up here so I can loot you. I'm not killing you when you're off the thing. I want your loot. These motherfuckers are kind of easy to kill, though. I'm not gonna lie. They got a long tongue. Okay, it's like a lot of y'all. I'm gonna start running. Okay, you're still on me. Good move. Good move. Ooh, stairs. You love to see them. Don't be a dead end. Nice. Zip on. We out. Ooh, and a head. Get the head, Matt. Get that bread, get that head, then leave. Then leave. Then leave. I said then leave. I said then leave. Fuck, bro. These niggas are annoying. Okay. We're gonna take all the shit we just got, give it to Duke, and then we'll continue to explore. I'm learning the map. I'm getting scared. Just a little bit. So let me check what I got. Okay. No, we only have 2 masks. I'm trying to think. I'll walk by Lady Demetrius. Okay, she's gonna be here, most likely. She always is. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Watch me juke her out. Watch me juke her out. Watch me juke her sexy ass out. You think you can catch me? I'm gone. I'm gone. I'm gone. She ain't know I watched Corey Kenshin growing up. She ain't know I watched Corey Kenshin growing up, bruh.
Welcome, welcome. You're sure to find something new.
She ain't know. She ain't know, bruh.
Ah, yes, yes.
I hear your footsteps, bro. Tall ass footsteps. And we can definitely craft some too, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Next we meet.
Okay, so we're gonna go up to the room upstairs where the Demetrius door is. And then after that, I'm fucking stuck. Cause I don't know where this other head could be. Let me save real quick. Stuff. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. You were right there. She was right there. Hey, little mamas. Don't go up where I want to go. Don't go there. Don't do that. She want the slong. Do you? Oh, fuck. Lady D. I'm gonna have to juke you out because I gotta go up there.
You will learn what it means to insult House Domitresk.
I gotta go up there. I'm gonna split you. I'm gonna split you. I'm gonna split you. I'm gonna split you.
Those little arms.
Oh my, I'm putting the moves on her. Boom. I knew it was in here. Fuck. Wrong key. Wrong key. Wrong key. Bingo. It's down here.
I was worried.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Pipe bomb. Nice. What's this gonna do? What you doing, baby? What you do? Ooh, back up! Back up! Damn, she fine. Back up, bruh. What is this pipe bomb shit? I'm gonna need it to bust this wall open. This is the only way I'm supposed to get sunlight in here. I gotta make a shortcut then. Shortcut. Boom. Baby girl.
Really?
Now hold these bullets.
You ruined, curse you!
Cause I got ammo for you. I kind of like that. Yep. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done, shawty. You're done. I know. I thought you was the one. You was the one that sniffed the little shit after she walked out. I thought you was the one. I thought you were. You weren't though. You was not the one. No, sir. Can I jump out? Nope. I've been in and out of state because I had the bag to make. I dropped like 20 rounds on her right there. That is so whack. I can't get out though. Like, okay. Interesting. It would be the thing I found in this room, wouldn't it, Matt? Run that.
Okay, I should be able to get out with these.
She's gonna be right here, isn't she? Why can't this be me in real life, bro?
The entire
You saw me?
bloodline of
You saw me?
Stomach
You
Dress
saw me?
is done
You
in
saw me?
by the likes of
You saw me? You saw me? You saw me? Duke is the savior, boy.
Good. I was just thinking of ways to pass the time.
He the man. Open up. Open up. Open up. Open up.
The entire bloodline of House Stomach Dress is done in by the likes of
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Why she look back at me like, yeah, you see that shit? I know it's fat, and we can all tell. Is that all four? I think so. Yes, that's all four. Bro, it just took long to open. What the fuck? They just trolled me. This where Mother Miranda at? Oh snap, Chrome Heart? Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's the dagger. Let me get that, my brother. Big loot, big loot. Oh shit.
ruined everything.
I kind of like this view. Ooh. Ice. Bro, she's so bad. Bro, why would you drop the dagger? You good, mamas? Okay. 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 She a whole dragon now? She not to? She Igneal? Oh, she more ugly than Igneal. Igneal, I don't wanna disrespect you. I don't ever want to disrespect you like that ever again, Igneel. I'm so sorry, my boy. I like fairy tale dragons way more than I like this dragon, bro. Ew. Why the sun want to come out? Let me put that pistol to her neck, though. Let me put the pistol to her neck.
Looks like your outside matches your inside.
Let me put the pistol to her neck. Let me put the pistol to her neck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. We're gonna run out of ammo soon. We can craft some though, so we chilling. We big chilling. Oh, they gave me the sniper rifle ammo. They gave me the sniper ammo. Ew. Ooh, ooh, you're behind me. You're behind me. Let me back up. Let me back up. I know I'm a lucky man. I like you. I kind of like you. Let me get behind you. I'm behind you with it. I'm behind you with it. Now I'm behind you. Now I'm behind you. Let him know I'm in phase. I'm finna start sniping her ass. Ooh. Back up though. Ooh. Good move. Good move. Good tackle. I gotta put that shotty to her body. I gotta put the shotty to her body. I gotta put the shotty to her body. Yeah, run away. Okay. Put this back in a shortcut. Start letting off shots. Also, heal up. Yep, I hit that. I hit that. I know I did. I know I did.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Okay, the bugs is doing. They doing numbers. They doing numbers. No Larry Jones. They doing numbers. No Larry Jones. They doing numbers. No Larry Jones. Where'd she go? She's a big ass dragon with big yeeks. I can find her. Put that shotty to her body. Put the shotty to her body. Keep the corner. Keep the corner. Nice. 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 Oh yeah. Eat Matt. Eat Ethan. Eat Ethan. That's 3. Eat Ethan. Reload. Eat Ethan. Eat Ethan. Eat Ethan. Run, Ethan. Run. Eee! Run, Ethan. Chill. Nigga. Nigga. Okay. My legs. My fucking legs. My legs. I didn't know she could grab you up like that. What the fuck? Yep. Reload the mag. Let off shots. Stop moving. Oh, I hit that. Rechamber, E. Not reload, rechamber, you fucking idiots. Oh shit. Cutscene? It's always good when we get a cutscene. Oh, you love to see it. You can get something else. I don't know, with my flesh you can get something else. Let off them shots while you walking up. Let off shots while you walking up. Quick silver while you walking up. Quick silver. I fucking missed. Okay, we about to run out of amps, clearly.
Don't be shy. Show me your terror.
I'll show you something else. This fucking meat. I should have got the switch, bro. I need that fire rate. Put the shotty to her body. Bro, you can't follow me like that. Oh, she done for it. Oh, she's done for it. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. So Lady D, can I hit? Or no? No? I mean, it's cool. Okay. She's disintegrated into the abyss. And ash. Good shit, Ethan. Ugh.
You're the one who's cursed.
What's up here? This piss? Ew. The fuck? Chrome Heart P?
Looks like I'm getting out of this place.
This nigga said, looks like I'm getting out of this place. Like, we didn't just go through the most terrifying shit of our lives, bro. Like, dude. Cannot say that lightly.
Rose.
Look for Rose. Need that. Ooh, and a save location. Them niggas knew I was ready to get off this game. I finished that item though as requested. Please deliver it to the house with the red chimney. Go through the caves to the ruins, then down into the village. How many hours we got on the game? 2 hours? Not bad. YouTube. Thank you for fucking watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. That was another episode of Resident Evil 8 Village. Beat the first boss. Shout out to Lady D. What the fuck? Hit that dislike. Beat Lady Dimitrescu. We gonna miss you, my baby, but listen, you know what I'm saying? Like, what happened, happened. I'm just trying to get my daughter Rose, you feel me? If you trying to be the mother that stepped up since they smoked my wife earlier in the show, hey, if you want to come back from disintegration, you can, alright? But anyway, even though it's like my first one, I'm starting to understand how the game works. Like, when I first started playing Elden Ring, I didn't know how that game worked until I was like 5 hours into the game. And I realized, like, hey, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're not supposed to be able to beat niggas in like a couple of seconds. So I'm a with the game though. We gonna play it next stream. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do our thing, try and beat that chapter. And yeah, I'm pretty sure there's 5 bosses in the game. But the only 3 I know of is Lady D, her brother, and then Mother Miranda. So I don't know when they come into the story, but yeah, we're gonna run through this first playthrough of the year. Then we're gonna head to Detroit. But first, we gotta beat this. So like and comment and subscribe and hug your mama, do some push-ups, read your Bible. I'm finna go get something to eat. Get money on me, get money on 3123. Get money.